Welcome to Simply Logical. This is Venkatesh. Can you find the value of x if x to the power of root x equals root x to the power of x? This is a simple problem to solve if you know the trick. In this video, I will teach you how to solve these kind of problems in simple steps. Can you figure it out the correct answer? Pause the video and give a try before checking the solution, and when you are ready, keep watching the video for a solution. Also, do not forget to comment if you found something interesting. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so that you do not miss any of our videos. Let's check the solution now. We can solve this problem in multiple ways. I will explain the easy way. In any problem, if you observe square root, then the first option to explore is to square both sides. By doing so, we can cancel square root, which in turn simplifies the equation. Let's square both sides. After squaring, equation becomes x power root x whole square equals root x power x whole square. So we can solve this problem only if we know the basic exponential identities. To solve this, we must know one basic exponential identity, that is, if x to the power of a whole to the power of b, then it can be written as x to the power of ab. Example, 10 to the power of 2 whole to the power of 3 is equivalent to 10 to the power 2 into 3, which equals 10 power 6. So applying same to the equation becomes x to the power 2 root x equals root x to the power 2x. We know that square root of x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2. Apply this in only RHS so that we can cancel 2. So equation becomes x to the power 2 root x equals x to the power 1 by 2 into 2 into x. After solving, the equation becomes x to the power 2 root x equals x to the power x. We know that if the base is same, then their respective powers also equals. Here base is same with x, hence in LHS and RHS consider only powers to solve the problem. That is, consider only 2 root x equals x. Now the equation is simplified. Now squaring both sides, equation becomes 4 into root x square equals x square. Cancel square and square root in LHS, equation becomes 4x equals x square. Cancel x on both sides. Finally, x value is equal to 4. By following these simple steps, we can solve the problem in very less time. Let's substitute the value of x in the original equation to verify. After substituting, equation becomes 4 power root 4 equals root 4 power 4. Since square root of 4 is 2, equation becomes 4 square equals 2 to the power of 4. 4 square is 16 and 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Hence, the value of x is 4. You can solve the same problem using the concept of logarithm. Did you figure it out in any other techniques? Let's everyone know your answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Please help by subscribing for free to get the newest videos watching, and you can email me a puzzle which you are finding difficult to understand. I will help in solving the puzzle in simple steps. Thanks for watching the video and thanks for your support.